the other day I was just looking through Pinterest and I saw these super cute hair bows that have gone absolutely viral lately, and I was like, I need to make them. I always put my hair in braids, and this is just the perfect accessory to add on to your hair, add some pizzazz to it. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So for this project, you're gonna need some yarn. You can use acrylic yarn, but I'm using this yarn that I got at a local craft store, and it's super thin but durable. I am using size 8 knitting needles, and these are circular, but honestly, you don't need circular needles. So the first thing we're gonna do is cast on. So you're gonna take your yarn, you're gonna make a slip knot. Then to cast on, you take those two ends of your yarn, you put your fingers in between like this. You go under and over, and then pull it tight. So that's 1 stitch, and we're gonna cast on 4 stitches. So after you cast on 4, you should have 5 stitches on your needle, and now we can start knitting. To knit, you want to insert your needle into the first stitch. Take your working yarn, wrap it around the needle, pull it through that loop, and then get rid of it. Again, I'm going to show you put it in that stitch. Take your working yarn, wrap it around, pull it through the loop, and then get rid of it. Now you're going to do this for the whole row. Here's how you're going to make that sort of I-cord shape. If you have double pointed straight needles like these, you're just going to flip your work around like this, and you're going to knit as so. But if you have circular needles like me, all you have to do is shove this row onto the other side of the needles, like so. And usually your working yarn would be on the top, but as you can see here, it's on the bottom. But that's how you make that shape. So you're going to knit as normal. Your working yarn is going to be coming from the bottom like I said, but you're still going to wrap it around like normal. And you're going to keep knitting. Now you're going to continue to do that. Knit the row, push it back, knit the row, push it back until you have your desired length. I measured my hair bows and they were around 20 inches, so if you want to have the same length as me, mine were again 20 inches. Once you've reached your desired length, we're going to go ahead and cast off. So how you cast off is you knit the first stitch like normal. You knit the second stitch like normal. And so basically now you have 2 stitches on your right hand side. You're going to put the first one over the second one. Like this. And then you're going to knit one more. Put the first one over the second stitch. This part can be a little bit difficult to do, but once you have the hang of it, it'll be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Knit one more stitch again. Put the second stitch over the first stitch. And then last one. And then once you have your last stitch, you can go ahead and take it off, trim it. So now you're going to have loose ends. So all you want to do is take a random thin crochet hook, or you could use a tapestry needle and just weave those ends in. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we just want to get those little ends out of the way. Now that you've finished your knit little I-cord, I'm going to show you how to tie it because this could be a little confusing, but honestly you'll get the hang of it. So basically you take your string and you do one knot on top of your little hair tie so that it's secure and it doesn't fall down. And then you do it like you would tie your shoelaces. I just do 2 bunny ears and then tie the 2 bunny ears like so. And then after you tie them, you do a little bit of adjusting so that the bunny ears are on the top and the 2 strings are at the bottom. You can pull it to whatever length you want, like so, and then you're done. So that was the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you've made them, or tag me on Instagram if you did. I will see you guys next time.